Hello and welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. Today in our rhythm lesson we're going to do Green River by CCR. So I'm going to be trying to play it as close to the recording as possible, but you know, like anything else, I've been watching artists many times play live, and they never seem to play the song exactly the same as in the recording. So, you know, I might make the odd adjustment as I play it, but I'm going to try to give it to you as close as possible so you can learn it. Alright, let's go check it out. Okay, let's break down the song, Green River. We're going to start with the intro, and it goes like this. Okay, do that again. So what's happening there? So we start with open E. I usually hit the whole chord. I like to do it like that, but you can just do. And then we go into this slide. Okay, so we're in index finger, 3rd fret D, middle finger, 4th fret G. And we kind of slide from the 2nd fret or so into that position. So we do this twice. Go back onto the G 2nd fret. Let go, open. Twice 2nd fret D. Okay, and then immediately on the A. So open A and hammer on the 2nd fret. Twice. Again. Then the strumming starts. And then we'll do that lick. Okay, so now with our index finger, we're going to do a bend on the G2. And then we immediately hit the 2 bottom notes open. Some taps I saw have them sliding, so maybe that's easier for you. Instead of, okay, so you can do it both ways. Then we go back into that same part that we just did for the intro. So that is done twice. So that is part of that first verse, that pattern. Okay, and then it goes into the chorus, that's C. And then A. And then that ends the first verse. So open A, 1st fret A, 2nd fret A, and then open E, and then immediately again into that pattern, and then open E and B. Okay, and then it goes into the 2nd verse again with the chord. Okay, same lick again. So it's this time around in the second verse, we're doing this. And we do that twice. After the second verse and chorus, we're going to go into a little lead part. Okay. So that's how the second chorus ends. And then he sings, and then it goes open E, third fret B and open B, second G, open G, and second D. And then we go with our index finger, the second fret G string, with two bends, and then open, and then we'll go second fret D string and kind of pull off. You can play this this 3 times, okay? Now it goes into the chorus part, and that's C, and you go, okay? We go from the third fret A, second fret D, open G, hammer on, open G again, pull off, now the chorus goes into A, so we hit the open A, so second fret D, open G, and then a bend, okay, and then a double stop. So both fingers, ring and index, on the G and B. Okay, and then we're going to this third verse. So third verse, again, this is strumming. Okay, now we're going to go here. Okay, which is on the 7th fret E and 8th fret B. So, open B and E, 2nd fret G, open G and hammer on first G, and then B and E open. So that's done twice. And then it goes back into the chorus, right? Now there it goes again. And it goes immediately. You know, you can play around there because it's going to stay on E, sort of for the outros, you know, so you can just play all kinds of these little licks to finish off the song. So what are we doing here? We know this one. Then we go down to the 15th fret, and we bend that. We basically play the same thing an octave higher, a bend on the 15th B, index on the 12th E, B, 12 B, 14 G, 12 G, 14 D.